Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to copy Tradingview indicator script and how to use private indicators in Tradingview. First thing I want you to do is find, any stock and then open this up right here. And what I need you to do is I need you to go ahead and use this, okay? And right here, I want you to click on See on Supercharts. And then once this loads up, I want you to come to the top and click on indicators. Okay. And then I want you to search up any indicator or script that you want to use. So I'll search up RSI. This is the relative strength index. So there you go. And now it is being used, as you can see. So we'll close this one. Okay. And then to make any edit to it, you just hover over it. You click on source code right here. This will open up the source code. And to edit this code, you need to create a working copy. Okay, so you go ahead and do that. Now you make any of your edits. And once you're done with that, you just save the script. Okay, you save that script and you choose your script name. So I'll just name this one. We'll save that, as you can see. And if you want, you can also publish this with the community. And once you've made your edits, right, you can add this to your chart just by clicking on this icon. You can add this to your chart as well. As you can see, it has added it right there. And once you're done, right, under personal, whenever you click on indicators, you'll see your script name. So you can begin using your private indicators. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.